Hello everyone, welcome to Fountainheads. Let me guide you through a few quick and easy steps to use our website. First, open your browser and type in our web address www.fountainheads.com. Once you have opened it, first thing we do is create an account. So type in your username, your email ID and password of your choice and click Submit. After the successful creation, in the home page, find the available courses. Then select the subject of your choice and click on it and you'll be guided to the payment section. In the payments section you will find a field to apply your coupon code. Type in the coupon code and click on Pay Now button. Once you have bought the course you will find your course in the dashboard section. Choose the lesson of your choice. Click the play button and you can start learning at your own pace. You can fast forward the video, choose the resolution of the video as per your liking and even choose your own preferable speed. If you want to buy another course, just go back to the course page and repeat the same steps as before. Next time, if you want to access our website, you can always use your username and password to sign in and get access to all your courses. Happy learning! Team Fountainheads.